Hello and welcome to this new video on how to enable two-factor authentication in Temu. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and type Temu and press enter in the keyboard. After that, you just have to click on the first search result, that is Temu, and that interface will be opened. And when the interface is open, you just have to look in the top right hand side of the navigation bar. There is auto sign up on button. Just click on that and that section will appear in your screen. And in the left hand side, there are a list of things. You just have to scroll down until you see account and security button. Just click there and account and security section will be opened. And when you scroll down there, you will be able to see two-factor verification or authentication that is currently off. And in the right hand side, there is a button to turn on. You just need to click on the turn on button. After that, you just need to enter the password you would like to associate with your account below. And after that, when you enter your password, you can just click on the submit button and follow through the instructions, and you will be able to enable two-factor authentication in Temu. So this is how you can easily enable two-factor authentication in Temu. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.